Hello everyone. My name is Nijara Roy. I'm in second semester at UTD. Today I'll be talking about the fundamentals of cloud computing and AWS. Cloud computing has completely transformed the way business operate, making it easier to access, store, and manage data without needing physical infrastructure. In this presentation, I will cover what is cloud computing, why it is so important, its key benefits, and then we will see how AWS play a major role in this area. By the end, you will have a clear understanding why cloud computing is the foundation of modern technology. Let's start with what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is like renting a fully equipped office instead of building one from scratch. It allows users to share computing resources like servers, storage, database, network, applications over the internet whenever needed. Basically, businesses do not need to manage their own data center. It can scale up or down whenever needed without worrying about the hardware. For example, during the big sale for online store, it needs extra computing power. So instead of buying expensive hardware with AWS, it can increase the capacity temporarily and scale back down after the sale ends. Why cloud computing is so important, why everyone is talking about cloud computing. If we see today, everything revolves around data. Every business, big or small, deals with large amounts of data on daily basis, storing it, processing it, managing it, using AI to gain insights. So managing this large amount of data with physical hardware would require a huge investment in a server and infrastructure. Cloud computing makes it much easier. It allows business to focus on core functions rather than managing physical infrastructure. They can scale up or down instantly and only pay for what they use, avoiding the high cost of buying and maintaining hardware. Here are some essential characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. Users can access computing resources whenever they need. And broad network access. Cloud services can be used from anywhere with an internet connection. Resource pooling. Computing resources are shared across multiple users, improving efficiency and reducing cost. Rapid elasticity. Businesses can scale up or down instantly based on demand, avoiding over provisioning. Then meter service, users only pay for what they use, like water and electricity, making it cost-effective solution. Amazon Web Services is the most widely adopted cloud platform. It offers more than 200 fully featured services, and millions of businesses from startup to big enterprises and government agencies use AWS to reduce cost, increase agility, and drive innovation. Yeah, AWS provides several key benefits. Instead of spending large amount on physical hardware, businesses can switch to pay-as-you-go model, paying only for what they use. AWS serves millions of customers, which help reduce cost and improve efficiency. Businesses don't have to estimate future resource needs. AWS provides on-demand access to computing resources, reducing the time needed to launch and manage applications. AWS handle infrastructure updates and security. So businesses don't have to worry about running and maintaining physical data center. With AWS Global Infrastructure, businesses can go global in minutes. For example, a startup can launch an application on AWS without buying expensive servers, and AWS automatically scales resources based on the demand and without interruption. Yeah, now question is how AWS support businesses worldwide. So answer lies in the AWS global infrastructure. If we see in this slide, we can see that as of now there are 36 regions, 114 availability zones, 42 local zones, 29 wavelength zones, and more than 700 cloud front. More than 245 countries and territories are served. So with AWS global infrastructure in place, companies can innovate and scale faster than ever. Let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. Cloud computing is already transforming the industries, and AWS is leading the way. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step toward leveraging AWS to build, scale, and innovate. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding on AWS cloud computing fundamentals. Thank you for listening.